Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, Mama Sagari Channel, a faith healer o Zamata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of June 13 hanggang June 19 for the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit. So let's watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mahagilap? Alamin na natin yan. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Oh my God, there's just a three of wands or waiting for a ship. So may mga bagay na hinihintay ka, baka ito na ang resulta. Additional messages. And of course, there is that Four of Wands by celebration, no? May mga celebration na magaganap, homecoming, family gathering, and there's a twin flame energy with a soulmate connection. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands para silence. No, may mga bagay dito na kailangan mo pang ilaban, no, kailangan mo magtiyaga, no, at kailangan mo maging tahimik lamang. Additional messages, and of course, there's a Ace of Cups with a love offer, no, may bagong pag-ibig, kaharutan, no? May pag-ibig na magpapatibok sa puso mo. Ano, maaring, kumbaga kung may asawa ka na, maaring ibalik ang kilig, harot, ganon. And I guess there's a star card for a healing, no? Magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito, guys. Unti-unting paghilom, unti-unting paggaling. No? This is a star, represent the wish fulfillment. No? A star card represent a miracle. So because there's a Six of Swords with the, okay, there's a Four of Swords for something rest or intuition. So, ibig sabihin kailangan mo magpahinga, nag-over fatigue ka. Additional messages with the Three of Wands represent the Two of Swords with an indecision. Nagkakaroon ka ng indecision dito dahil sa paghihintay mo na resulta, no? Kung baga nagdadalawang isip ka na, hindi mo na alam kung ano yung mga gagawin mo, gano'n. The Four of Wands represent what? The Four of Wands represent the the Six of Pentacles, sorry. There's a Six of Pentacles, so there's a give receiving something by the universe. Maaaring pagdating sa love life, balance. There's a give and take, no? At the same time, there's a something magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. And the Nine of Pentacles represent the Five of Swords. The Nine of Wands represent the Five of Swords. There's something of self-sabotage. Okay, thank you. Kumaga, ito ha, kaya sinasabi dito, maging tahimik ka ha, kasi ikaw mismo maglalantad sa eksena mo. So, ibig sabihin, may masishare ka ng thoughts, may masishare ka ng information. At the same time, gagamitin yun against sa'yo. Oh, maging aware, guys. Iwasan niyo pagchichika-chika ha. Baka dahil sa hindi mo mapigilang itikom yung bibig mo, baharing ipapahabak mo. The Ace of Cups represent what? The Knight of Pentacles. So there is a security, no? Pagdating sa love life, secure ka naman daw. Oh, let's see what is a star card. Represent the Eight of Wands. The Seven of Wands, sorry. The Seven of Wands is a something protection. You are being protected. No? At sinasabi dito, pinoprotectionan mo at pinapangalagaan mo kung ano man ang meron ka. At maaaring magkaroon ng hope at pag-asa sa lahat ng mga bagay na hinahangad mo. Maaaring may mga bagay na matupad ka, no? Laban sa pamilya mo, no? Maaaring matupad mo yung mga pangarap nyo sa isa't isa. And of course, mga anak mo, kung may anak ka, na maaaring makapagtapos na. The Four of Swords represent the Empress card. So, see? Kung maganda sa Empress card for retreat, renewal. No? Kung ibalik mo ang alindog mo or either ibalik mo ang sigla o kagwapo na ganda ng itsura mo. Gano'n. Kumaga kailangan, kumaga masyado ka na nai-stress masyado ka na de-depress sa eksena mo. So, kailangan mong mahalin na sarili mo. There's a self-care, a self-love. The Three of Wands and the Two of Swords represent the Death card. So, this is the ending, no? Ito na yung katapusan ng paghihintay mo. No? Nagkakaroon ka ng gut feeling dahil dito sa indecision na hinihintay mong resulta. So, let's see what is the Four of Wands and the Six of Pentacles. Represent what? So, this is the lovers. I told you, connected pagdating sa love life. Oh, twin flame kayo na person mo, ha? At the same time, there's a balance. Okay. Then there's a Knight of Wands and the Five of Swords. Represent the Seven of Cups. Confusion. Mag-ingat ka, ha? May confusion. Maaaring may nanggugulo dito at maaaring maguluhan ka. O may panggulo. No, may panggulo. Okay, let's see what is the Ace of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles. So, represent dito with the Two of Wands by choices, no? May mga bagay na pipiliin mo, may mga bagay na, kumbaga, kailangan mong piliin or kailangan mong pag-isipan, gano'n. The Star card across the Seven of Wands represent the Fool card, a new beginning is coming your way, no? Babaguhin ang eksena mo, may pag-asa na, no? May himala na, no? Kala mo, hanggang doon na lang, no, you are being protected. So, let's see what is the Four of Swords in the Empress card. For the chart ka for an action, so there's a something movement, kilos-kilos, galaw-galaw. Kung gusto mo mabago ang sistema, babago mo ang iyong ang kinagagalawan at ang iyong itsura, kailangan mong galingan. Charis, kailangan mo ayusin, no, mahalin, at kumilos ka, no? Kailangan mong mag-exercise, not time ng diet, no? Magpahinga, matulog ng maayos. Huwag ka nag-overthink, additional outcome. Ang additional outcome is the King of Cups. So, there's a devoted for the person. May taong sumusuport at mahal na mahal ka. Okay. And of course, there is a the Queen of Wands by confidence. So, kailangan mong lakasan ang loob mo. No? Kumpiyansa. Kumaga malakas dapat ang kumpiyansa mo sa sarili mo na itong tao na to. Mahal na mahal ka na to. Ganon. Kumaga, wag mong ialis sa isip mo yan. Kasi pag na-paranoid ka, nako, bahala ka. There's a Page of Pentacles in investment. Na magkakaroon ka na something invested dito. Finances, career, or love life. There's a something the Six of Swords with a transition. Na unti-unti nang magbabago ang eksena. Okay, may pag-inat dito. Ibig sabihin, kailangan galaw-galaw, ha? Additional messages about sa career. About sa career, so this is the Two of Cups with a partnership. Na pagdating sa career mo, may connected dito with a partnership. And there's a Three of Pentacles with a collaboration. No, socialize. And teamwork and unity. Oh, taray. Additional messages about naman sa love life. So, this is a Justice card. Now, may justisya. And of course, there's the Ten of Cups with a happiness. So, at the end of the time, kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo, deserve mong malin. So, ito na nga, no? Justisya. Additional messages about sa health. So, there's the Queen of Pentacles. So, there's a practicality. So, kailangan maging practical ka, ha? And there's a Magician for manifestation. So, mag-ingat ka kung ano yung mga bagay na gagawin mo ay magre-reflect sa'yo. So, it means, kung may mga kinakain kang hindi maganda, so, ang atake nito, hindi maganda ang magiging outcome niya. Kaya, maging aware, ha? So, this is a something manifestation. Mag-ingat ka kasi maaaring may mga bad habits ka. So, let's see. Additional messages for one more card, please. So, this is the Eight of Wands for fast communication and fast movement, no? There's a travel there, no? Unwind. Kailangan mo rin unwind dito. Masyado ka na stress dyan sa ginagalawan mo. So, let's see what is additional messages for magical fairy messages. For magical fairy messages of in what? So, there's a marriage. No, maaring kasal ka. No, maaring ikakasal ka. No, there's a pregnancy. Maaring magbubuntis ka pa. Oh, sabi. So, let's see what is a yin and yang. Oracle card. Or blessings. Pregnancy is a blessing. So, maaring it's either magbuntis ka or may blessing na paparating sa inyong dalawang mag-asawa. Or maaring magkaroon ka ng asawa. Or maaring magkabalikan kayo ng asawa mo. Or there's a higher level commitment with a jowa, partnership, ganon. Magkakaroon ka ng live-in partner sa madaling salita. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, a transformation, no? Pagbabago ng eksena, there's a something change cycle, no? Babaguhin na sistema. Ay. And of course, oh my goodness, pumipitik siya. And there's an empathy by breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka din. Oh, taray, ang ganda ng reading mo for today's video, ah. So, let's see what is additional messages for synchronicities. Creativity. So, kumbaga mag-create ka ng mga bagay na alam mo makakatulong sa'yo. Paano mo papalaguin at papalakihin ang eksena? Paano mo pagagandahin kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginagalawan mo? No, pagdating sa negosyo, hanap buhay, no? Kailangan mo na ayusin. There's a change, no? Baguhin. Kung ano yung maling sistema, kaya ka napupunta sa paulit-ulit na kaganapan sa buhay mo. For the chakra messages. For the chakra, let's see. And there's an isolation, no? You're feeling stuck. You're feeling abandonment here, no? You're feeling imprisonment dahil sa negative thoughts. And of course, there's a guilt, no? Meron dito parang nagagalit sa'yo, may naiinis sa'yo. And there's a joy, no? Maging maligaya ka lang, mahalin mo yung mga bagay na nangyari sa isa kasalukuyan. Huwag mo intindihin yung mga insecure sa'yo. There's a something despondence, no? Ang bilis mo kasi maapektuhan, takot ka sa rejection. Takot kang mapansin, takot kang mabuyo, no? Ito yung pangit, eh. Kumbaga, mabilis ka maapektuhan ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Iyan ang iwasan mo. Iyan ang mga bagay na kailangan mo tanggapin, no? At dapat hindi mo pinakikinggan ng mga hindi magagandang komento, no? Archangel Michael messages. Take your time to make a decision, no? Kailangan mo ng oras, panahon para makapag-desisyon. And there's an energy healing works, no? Kumaga, unti-unti ka nang gagaling sa iyong karamdaman, unti-unti ka nang hihinom sa mga karanasan at mga pinagdaanan. There's a go forward fearlessly. Kailangan mo magpatuloy na walang kinakatakutan, walang kinikilingan. Char. Angels answer represent what? Angels answer represent and let go, no? Akawalan, bitawan. Hayaan mo lang, ganon. And helpful people, maraming taong tutulong sa'yo. O there's a guidance na tinutulungan ka, maraming gabay na tumutulong sa'yo. And there's a compromise, no? May mga pinangako at may pinagkasunduan. No? Kailangan mo, it's either kailangan mo ipangako, kailangan mo kumbaga, ilapit sa taas, no? Yung mga bagay na gusto mong makuwak, no? At, kumbaga, manalangin ka, magdasal ka, ganon. For Monsology, represent what? Emotional running high. So, maaaring magiging emotional ka. It's either tears of joy or heartbreak. And a win-win outcome forecast. So, ipapanalo mo tong laban na to. Ay, laban na laban, ha? And bring love in this situation. Mahalin mo yung sitwasyon mo. Kung asang ka man ngayon, it's a God purpose, no? So, let's see what is the romance angels. Getting to know each other. Kilala niyo yung isa't isa, ha? Hindi pwedeng harot-harot lang, tapos keme na. Iwas-iwasan niyo yung mga ganong eksena. And there is a calling in your soulmate. Tinatawagan na soulmate mo dito. No, maaaring makikilala mo na siya or maaaring kilala mo na siya. Maaaring kayo na, maaaring asawa mo na siya. No? So, let's see what is additional messages. For the energy, represent the patience. So, kailangan mahaba ng pasensya mo. There's a takes time. Oras ang magdidikta na lahat ng kaganapan. And there is a something, a community. So, maaaring, there's a socialize or social friends na out there. No, kailangan mo ng unwind with your friends. And there's a cornucopia. Kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetable. Mag-ingat ka lang dito with attachment for impostor. No? May nagpapanggap. Merong nagsusuot ng fake mask. No? Parang mayroon ditong kumaga hindi totoong mukha. No? Sa iyong kaharapan. Impostor. Additional messages. And there's a freedom. No? Palayain mo yung sarili mo for negative thoughts. No? Sa mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado, there's a blame, no? Kumbaga wala kang sisisihin dito, even yourself, no? Kailangan mo lang i-surrender lahat ng mga bagay-bagay kasi kumbaga lahat ng mga nangyayari ay kung hindi inaadya, no? Magpasalamat na lamang. Additional messages. Oh, there's a river for snake. Oh, mag-ingat ka, I told you, may ahas. Diba? There's a something ahas dito, and there's a something dream guide with a teacher guidance. No, mayroon tuturo sa'yo ng totoong daan at may mga bagay na tuturuan ka para malaman mo yung magiging daan mo. And there is a something movement. So kailangan mo talagang kumilos, no? Hindi pwede maghihintay ka na lang opportunities, ha? Kailangan mong It's either naghihintay ka ng ano, i-report mo ha. Mag-report ka. Hindi pwede yung waiting ka lang dyan. It's either sasakay ka ng barko, kung mga ibang bansa ka, naghihintay ka ng travel. Ay, mag-report ka. Huwag yung aasa ka sa hintay-hintay ng message or tawag. And there's a career change na baguhin mo yung career mo dito or mababago ng career mo. And this is a spiritual teacher. Kailangan mo ng guidance or kailangan mo ng albularyo na tutulong sa'yo. May problema ka about sa spiritual ha? Bilang may lumabas to. Additional Archangel Raphael messages. And there's an hydrations, no? Kung kailangan mo ng maraming tubig ha, uminom-inom ka ng tubig. So let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit. Surrender to the sweetness. So may mga bagay dito na mahalin mo yung buhay na ipinagkaloob sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, there's a rare gift, no? Kumbaga sa buhay mong pinangahawakan, mayroon diyang regalo ang ating pong may kapal. Kaya kailangan i-discover mo. For Jesus' loving quote said, unto you it's given to know the mystery of kingdom of God. So see, may misteryo sa buhay na ipinagkaloob sa'yo. So ibig sabihin, kumbaga hanapin mo, tuklasin mo, dahil may magandang plano ang ating pong may kapal sa'yo. For angels number, represent what? For angels number, represent what? Represent the 3334 support. This is the support by guidance. Seeing an angel's number 333 is a sign that it's time to focus inward, work on your skills, discover your talents, and use your imagination. Unleash your inner artist. Doing so will boost your self-esteem and sense of confidence. It does wonder for your sense of purpose and contributes to your community. So, ibig sabihin nito, kumbaga maraming tumutulong sa'yo, maraming, kumbaga nagbibigay na information sa'yo para ma-enhance mo yung abilities mo. No? Alamin mo yung mga bagay na mag-evolve or mag-improve ba yung kaisipan, kakayanan, kaalaman. Messages of life, everything changes, no? Lahat ng mga bagay babaguhin, no? As soft light radiates from my heart, it illuminates those around me and transform every situation I encounter. I maintain a positive attitude in spite of any difficulties I may perceive. No matter the circumstances, I remain of source of true joy. Everything changes when it is about of the light of the divine. So see, lahat ng mga bagay ay babaguhin. Ayaw mo man sa gusto, aayusin ng ating Panginoon yung mga bagay na alam niyang may mali sa sistema at may mali sa anggulo mo. Ibig sabihin dito, babaguhin yan, de-developin yan, magbibigay sa iyo ng malaking transformation ang lahat ng mga bagay na kailangan ay mabago na. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of June 13 hanggang June 19 for the sign of Cancer. Yan. Cancer. Maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way. Pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!